This quick video is going to show you how to log into Dreambox through LCPS Go. So once you get to the LCPS Go login page, you will type in your lunch number and your password. Remember, if your password has a capital letter, to make sure it has a capital letter when you type it in. Once you sign in, you will scroll down and find the folder that says Math. Once you click on Math, you will go to Dreambox. If you have never logged in to Dreambox through LCPS Go at your house, then you will get this message. It will tell you that the app for Dreambox requires a ClassLink browser extension, and that is either not installed or enabled. So you can install the extension and add it to Chrome here, and that will make it easier to link all of your logins through LCPS Go. Everything will kind of come together. Or you will go continue to website. This will prompt you to log in again with your lunch number, but this time you have to put @lcps.org. Anytime you're logging in and you see Microsoft at the top, in this kind of page, you have to have the @lcps.org, because that's technically your email. So type in your same password and hit sign in, and it will ask you if you want to stay signed in, and that's up to you, but I would say yes, and then it will take you to Dreambox. Okay, and that's when you can click on the different villages and go and complete lessons. Make sure you're completing at least one lesson per day. That's what's recommended if you're getting into Dreambox, and this is great for you to review materials we've already learned and do some enrichment activities.